Hello everyone, welcome to Visio training. In the current video, we will see a small example where we have taken a cell phone as a brand and we are putting it into the house of quality for a better comparison. So we have created our own brand named XYZ and we are comparing it with Samsung and iPhone. Let's see how the comparison works. As mentioned in the previous video, the left panel is for the characteristics that the customer looks for in a cell phone. For instance, people expect features such as a camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, video, 3G, 4G, CPU with a good processor, operating system, GPS navigation. The priority or the ratings are shown to the right of that. We see camera is a 4, that is one of the priorities. Bluetooth gets a 3. Calling is most important, so that is why it is given a 5, and so on and so forth. Now here the circles stand for how strong the ratings are. To the right, I have mentioned the ratings, like the donut stands for strong with a 9 rating. Circle stands for medium with a 3 rating, and the triangle stands for weak with a 1 rating. Now these are all text boxes which I've created and which can be done simply by using the text option. The additional features provided by the cell phone are backup timing for the battery, weight of the cell phone, random access memory or RAM, body material quality, and talk time. These are the additional features provided by the cell phone. At the top is the maximization and minimization. It means what needs to be increased by the company and what is to be reduced by the company so that they can provide better quality. As we can see here, backup timing of the battery should be increased, or rather it is preferred to be increased. The weight of the cell phone has to be decreased, and so on and so forth. Now let's see the correlation of the data. Say backup timing is very strongly correlated with random access memory. It means the more memory is used, the back time gets drained faster. So that's why there is a plus with a circle. That stands for the strongest correlation. Just a plus sign is a positive correlation, and so on and so forth, as mentioned here. We can see the body material quality and the talk time are not correlated at all. That's why there is a strong negative correlation. Now let's look at the right panel. That's for comparing it with the other brands. So X is our brand and A and B are Samsung and iPhone. So we can see for the camera that Samsung gets a 4 and iPhone is a 5. The rating scale where 5 is the best and 1 is not that great. And we stand at third, which means we have to improve our camera quality, so on and so forth. Now, once we are done with it and we connect these dots, so let's do that. So I will use a small shaped line and let's connect these dots. So as we can see, this is the graph that we have created. So let's highlight those graphs. Just put it into the red lines. No, yellow should do it. So that's how our graph flows. And this can help us to understand the trend that we are following and where we have to improve. If a company is at a 5 rating across, that means it does not have to worry at all. Then let's see the calculation. Now on the percentage improvement that we have come across, how does it work? There are ratings scale provided already. And the objects are also rated as per our requirements. What needs to be done is, say for backup timing, the rating is 3, so I just have to multiply 3 to 4, so 3 times 4 equals 12. Now, say 3 times 3 equals 9, 3 times 5 is 15, so 12 plus 9 plus 15 is 36. So that's how we calculate all the parameters. Once done, simply add all the answers. And that is 36 plus 2 plus 45 plus 36 plus 50, then divided by the first number, that we get a percentage of improvement that we have achieved. And do the same for the rest, and that's how we see the percentage improvement that we have brought up into the products that we are preparing or generating for the customers. I hope this was a value-added video. Please do practice this, and remember this is an important and widely used diagram in companies where there is quality control. In the next video, we will see how to create a calendar using some schedule options. Till then, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Thank you.